Today I'm going to share one of my favorite Japanese comfort food. It is called the Japanese Oyakodon. The Oyakodon literally translated into the parent-child bowl of rice. The parent is the chicken and the child is the egg. It is a very popular dish in Japan, but most Japanese restaurants in the US don't serve this rice. It is actually very easy to make at home. Today I'm showing you the recipe for serving 2 people. You can substitute dark meat with white meat chicken as well. It is very important that you use high quality soy sauce for this recipe. I usually use a brand called Kikkoman, but any other high quality soy sauce should be fine. Either regular or low sodium is okay too. The taste doesn't change much between the 2 soy sauce. Mirin is a type of Japanese sweet cooking wine that is now available in the Asian food aisle of most regular US supermarkets. You can very easily pick one up at your local supermarket. If you like eating chicken and rice, I hope you will try out this recipe and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time.